स्वागत है आपका फार्मा ज्ञान में। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले कुछ एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं एडीडीएस के। मतलब एनडीडीएस का जो टॉपिक है उसके सब पॉइंट है, मतलब ट्रांसडर्मल ड्रग डिलीवरी, पेनिट्रेशन एनहांसर एंड आयंटोफोरेसिस एंड सोनोफोरेसिस के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला एमसीक्यू, द मिडल लेयर ऑफ स्किन इज ऑप्शन ए epidermis, ऑप्शन बी option A dermis, option B epidermis, option C subcutaneous fat tissue, and option D lamina propria. And the answer is option A dermis. The middle layer of the skin is dermis. Next question, the sweat ducts blood vessels are present in option A epidermis, option B dermis, option C subcutaneous tissue, and option D lamina propria. And the answer is option B dermis. Sweat ducts and blood vessels are present in dermis. Next question, epidermis is composed of dash dash cells. Option A submucosal cells, option B columnar cells, option C stratified squamous epithelia, and option D cuboidal cells. And the answer is option C stratified squamous epithelia. Epidermis is composed of stratified squamous epithelia. Next question, what acts as primary barrier for percutaneous absorption? Option A horny layer, option B stratum germinativum, option C lamina propria, and option D superficial fascia. And the answer is option A horny layer. Horny layer or stratum corneum acts as primary barrier for percutaneous absorption. Next question, Zen is dash dash polymer. Option A synthetic polymer, option B synthetic elastomer, option C natural polymer, and option D none of this. And the answer is option C natural polymer. Zen is natural polymer. Next question, molecular weight of drug to be used in TDDS should be option A up to 5000 Daltons, option B up to 2000 Daltons, option C up to 1000 Daltons, and option D up to 10,000 Daltons. And the answer is option C up to 1000 Daltons. Molecular weight of drug to be used in TDDS should be up to 1000 Daltons. Next question, melting point of drug to be used in TDDS should be option A low, option B high, option C very high, and option D any. And the answer is option A low. Melting point of drug to be used in TDDS should be low. Next question, dash dash is the bile salt which acts as surfactant. Option A sodium taurocolate, option B sodium deoxycholate, option C sodium lauryl sulfate, and option D both A and B. And the answer is option D, both A and B. Next question, rate of drug release in reservoir system is dash dash order. Option A first order, option B second order, option C zero order, and option D none of this. And the answer is option C zero order. Rate of drug release in reservoir system is zero order. Next question, rate controlling membrane is absent in dash dash system. Option A reservoir system, option B matrix diffusion system, option C adhesive dispersion type system, and option D micro reservoir system. And the answer is option B matrix diffusion system. Rate controlling membrane is absent in matrix diffusion system. Next question, in micro reservoir system drug is suspended in dash dash polymer. Option A hydrophilic, option B hydrophobic, option C lipophobic, and option D lipophilic. And the answer is option A hydrophilic. In micro reservoir system drug is suspended in hydrophilic polymer. Next question, in situ cross-linking of polymer chains happens in dash dash system of TDDS. Option A reservoir, option B matrix, option C micro reservoir, and option D adhesive dispersive type. And the answer is option C micro reservoir. In situ cross-linking of polymer chain happens in micro-reservoir system of TDDS. Next question. In probe TAC test, TAC is measured in dash dash. Option A, gram. Option B, milligram. Option C, kilogram. And option D, none of these. And answer is option A, gram. Next question. 0% constriction of transdermal patch is equivalent to dash dash percent flatness. Option A, 50 degree. Option B, 1000 degree. Option C, 50%. Option B, 1000%. And option C, 100%. And option D, 10%. And the answer is option C, 100%. 0% constriction of transdermal patch is equivalent to 100% flatness. Next question. Peel adhesion test measures the force required to pull a single coated tape applied to substrate at dash dash angle. Option A, 90 degree. Option B, 0 degree. Option C, 270 degree. And option D, 180 degree. And the answer is option D, 180 degree. Peel adhesion test measures the force required to pull a single coated tape applied to substrate at 180 degree angle. Next question. In water vapor transmission studies, dash dash is used. Option A, calcium chloride. Option B, magnesium chloride. Option C, saturated potassium bromide and saturated sodium bromide. And option D, both A and C. And answer is option D, both A and C. Next question. In quick stick test, peel tack in quick stick test or peel tack test, force is measured by pulling the tape away from the substrate at dash dash angle. Option A, 180 degree. Option B, 90 degree. Option C, 270 degree. And option D, 0 degree. And the answer is option B, at 90 degree angle. Next question. Paddle is USB disc is USB apparatus dash dash dash. Option A, 1. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. And option D, 5. And the answer is option D, 5. Paddle over disc is USB apparatus 5. Next question. Cylindrical modified USB basket or rotating hollow cylinder is USB apparatus dash dash dash. Option A, 5. Option B, 7. Option C, 3. And option D, 6. And the answer is option D, 6. Rotating hollow cylinder is USB apparatus 6. Next question. The reciprocating disc is USB apparatus dash dash dash. Option A, 7. Option B, 6. Option C, 5. And option D, 3. And the answer is option A, 7. Reciprocating disc is USB apparatus 7. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अब हम पेनिट्रेशन एनहांसर, सोनोफोरेसिस और आयोनटोफोरेसिस के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे दोस्तों. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चंस. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वे penetration enhancement is not achieved? Option A, by decreasing partition coefficient. Option B, by decreasing skin thickness. Option C, by increasing diffusion coefficient. And option D, by increasing effective concentration of drug in vehicle. And the answer is option A, by decreasing partition coefficient, penetration enhancement is not achieved. Next question. Increased tissue hydration is dash dash in transdermal delivery. Option A, increase. Option B, decrease. Option C, same. And option D, can't say. And the answer is option A, increase. Increased tissue hydration leads to increase in transdermal delivery. Next question. Universal solvent is option A, caprylic acid. Option B, sodium glycolate. Option C, DMSO. And option D, ethanol. And the answer is option C, DMSO. Next question. Which surfactants are safe? Option A, anionic. Option B, cationic. Option C, non-ionic. And option D, any. And the answer is option C, non-ionic surfactants are safe. Next question. Urea is used as option A surfactant, option B solvent, option C hydrating agent, and option D none of this. And the answer is option C, urea is used as hydrating agent. Next question. In phonophoresis, dash 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 are passed through the probe into the skin. Option A current, option B IR radiation, option C UV radiation, and option D ultrasound. And answer is option D ultrasound. Next question. In which technique fluidization of lipid bilayer occurs? Option A iontophoresis, option B phonophoresis, option C microneedle, and option D can't say. And the answer is option B phonophoresis. In phonophoresis, fluidization of lipid bilayer occurs. Next question. In iontophoresis, drug is repelled from dash dash electrode. Option A active electrode, option B indifferent electrode, option C probe electrode, and option D pulse electrode. And the answer is option A active electrode. In iontophoresis, drug is repelled from active electrode. Next question. In electroporation, dash dash current is applied to skin. Option A low voltage, option B high voltage, option C any voltage, and option D none of these. And the answer is option B high voltage. In electroporation, high voltage current is applied to skin. Next question. In electroporation, dash dash pores are produced in intercellular bilayers via momentary realignment of lipids. Option A hydrophobic, option B lipophilic, option C lipophobic, and option D hydrophilic. And the answer is option D hydrophilic. In electroporation, hydrophilic pores are produced in intercellular bilayers via momentary realignment of lipids. Next question. In iontophoresis, drug is mixed with option A gel, option B cream, option C ointment, and option D solvent. And the answer is option D solvent. In iontophoresis, drug is mixed with solvent. And in sonophoresis, drug is mixed with gel, cream, and ointment. Next question. In iontophoresis, drug must be in dash dash and dash dash form. Option A non-aqueous and ionized, option B non-aqueous and non-ionized, option C aqueous and ionized, and option D aqueous and non-ionized. And the answer is option C aqueous and ionized. In iontophoresis, drug must be in aqueous and ionized form. Next question. The main mechanism used in sonophoresis for migration of drug is option A electroporation, option B diffusion, option C cavitation, and option D solubilization. And the answer is option C cavitation. The main mechanism used in sonophoresis for migration of drug is cavitation. Next question. The main mechanism used in iontophoresis for transport of drug is option A diffusion, option B electroporation, option C cavitation, and option D solubilization. And the answer is option B electroporation. The main mechanism used in the iontophoresis for transport of drug is electroporation. Next question. In iontophoresis, anode attracts dash dash charged ions. Option A positively charged, option B negatively charged, option C non-ionic, and option D can't say. And the answer is option B negatively charged. In iontophoresis, एनोड attracts negatively charged. तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर देना। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। एंड हाँ, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।